Hello and welcome to my channel Line Shapeform. If you have watched my previous videos on Luffy, you should be familiar with his body proportions. In this video, I will show you how to use this knowledge to draw Luffy in this pose. I am using the Loomis method for the head. For more information and explanations, check the videos linked in the description box below. Start with a circle. Leave enough space above the circle to fit about 1.2 more circles and about 4.3 circles below. Draw a horizontal and vertical centerline. Divide both the upper and lower halves of the circle into thirds. Add 1 unit below the circle. This is the total height of the head without hair. Check for symmetry. Make sure the left and right sides of the face and head are the same width. The upper eyelids will be here, and the lower eyelids will be here. Roughly sketch the face. The most important features are the eyes, so you want to get the size and placement right. The space between the eyes is about the width of an eye. Luffy will sit with a straight back, so we don't have to foreshorten his torso. Now we can refer to Luffy's proportions, which were established in my other video. We know that his upper body from the top of his head to his crotch is about 4 heads long. His waist is 2 heads below his chin. His body is about as wide as the height of his head. Here we have the underside of his chest. This is his waist. Here we have his buttocks and his rib cage. His arms will be raised to his sides like this. The deltoid muscles. His upper arm and his forearm are as long as a head. His hands are almost as long as his head. Luffy will be sitting cross-legged on a curved surface like a small hilltop, and we have to foreshorten his thighs. Imagine a cylinder at an angle. Luffy's lower leg from knee to heel is a little longer than 2 heads, which we won't foreshorten. His feet will rest on a lower surface than his buttocks. The feet are approximately as long as his head. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up or a comment. To stay updated on future uploads, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.